Jonathan York from Investment Research Group, looking at the investment market ahead. The main focal point from last week was the commodity prices. We saw some huge volatility out there, with oil off around 14% over the week, and silver at one point was down 45% and finished the week down around 30%. Now what that did was translate into the other markets with an increase in volatility, and we expect that to continue for the next couple of weeks. On the plus side, it has led to a fall in gasoline prices here in New Zealand, which is obviously good for the inflationary pressures. But as I say, it's still likely to be a pretty volatile ride in the oil market over the next coming weeks. Further good news was seen with the first day of the FMA. Issued a pretty stern warning to Mr. Wimp, and that has resulted in the fact that he has now announced there will be no further lowball offers for shares out there in the marketplace. So that's certainly one victory for new regulation out there in the marketplace. We do currently have the contact rights issue out there. That's a 1-for-9 share split, and if you have any further questions about that, call us on 0800 87323 and we'll give a full explanation of that. Globally, in equities received a further boost on Saturday morning New Zealand time with the announcement of the latest jobs data coming out of the US, which showed a further increase around 220,000 jobs. That is another steady improvement month on month, and we expect that to continue over the coming months. We should continue to show an underlying bid for the equity markets, and that should result in a little bit higher prices coming through. On the domestic front, data is a little bit light on the ground out there, so we just need to wait to get our lead from offshore markets. Say the main focal point will still be the commodity markets, and just expect further volatility out there over the course of this week. Overall, we expect that oil should look to base out around sort of $90 to $95 per barrel. But as for the sort of gold, silver prices, etc., it's going to be very volatile, but I suspect at lower levels there will be some buyers appearing. And what this volatility does do is give a good opportunity to review your portfolio and just see that you have the right asset allocation, and call us on 0800 867 323 to get that portfolio reviewed. And we look forward to speaking to you soon. Or visit the website www.irgbop.co.nz for lots of interesting articles. Disclosure statement available on request.